Good morning. This is June 13th, year 2019. We're going to go on a tram to go to the top. This is the Teton village here, obviously, and all of my Sherpa clients are here now, ready to go and tackle the Teton village here. And we're waiting for the tram to come down. The gondola when the sun is ski with some of the yeah, no, or to the gambo ski ski Kambalaja, more Jackson, Jackson, Yayo, the gambo ski resort in the gambo, Kida Gambo car, Casmas ski and with a map. Kayo tape bugla no car, Zoki machine, get Puki Pujama, the Yasa car, Zoki machine. That particular no Aro 10 car to mind of quick cars of the cars of the skits of like Chong and the Chong. What I do, Muda Gillings and Gilling Riser, just chills, for Papa and Gilling tea paging for as I met a niche with it. Can I tell your skits of Midolomo stick on Balara, Sima, Mera, Chick, Nini, John and Poking Lord and this. No, ski lifted you, ski lifted you, and you say tram or Sabanamati to Pomadane, and it's a gondola that answer out of Sano gondola. Oh, Yayo Pom Dosanga, Yana Toblanga, good land Yayo Pom Dosanga, Yayo Kano, Yayo, oh, Yayo goes up. Dab has to do nothing. I'm the lemon or mouse, and I kill and last of your dabs in Ozani. Missanga Yayo goes up. And then yes, SMJ Council keep changing things there. Keep changing and Mara. The other time when Yamon and say, Kere, whenever keep changing the keep chang family or something. I'm a chomaga. Yeah, nice. Yeah, think the get touch the line. Yeah, think the line. I touch the line. Think the get. Good morning. It's not think the gig. Yeah, Uro. Oh, yeah, I think the good morning, sir. Monjo and Doka. Ama Gen Sherpa tourist holiday. Yayo gondola. Matilda Dansa, your tram. And the Mati Bian, Sunny, much of hang glide go that you. This is Teton village. You know my Gambo ski channel there. Did the Gambo ski? Yeah, you pump dolga. Come on, Tedasa Hoya Zolajica, Kalasajica, Zolajica, Kalasaja, ski temula. Yayo, pump on the general and shoot. So I'll show you. It's you don't see the tram coming down yet. Oh, there's one coming down. So down on this side, there's one tram coming down. I don't think we can fit all in one tram. So I'm not sure how on this side behind. Tram on this side. It's a beautiful day again. In the afternoon, it's predicted maybe 30 to 50% chance of thunderstorm. So we're happy that we can do this in the morning. Yo, ski resort ka sampai village reste ho. Vail ma pani este ho. Boulder, Colorado, Aspen, Colorado, Gambutra. Ekdam Swiss Alps jasto ho. Same ho. Switzerland dera enza uta France ma pani te ho. Kere Mont Blanc, sabai same ho. Kuna aglo cha uta mate ho. Yo chai machi te क्या आउँदैछ त्यहाँ केसमा जाने हो Did it tell that for giving people their water? Oh, line you? I think. क्या और दिन क्या होला on the Sherpa. No, this is the tram that we're going to be taking. And up of the check it out. Jackson Hole. There we go. There we go. Jackson Hole. Yes, sir. You jump यहाँ आउँछ बिचमा अनि डोका गरेर उनीहरु उताबाट जान्छ हामी यहाँबाट छिर्छ के दिदी डोका हुन्छ कि थिते पो गोपेसँग फुटे पहाड डाब्जा ओराउँदिने सुज नि अहिले चाहिँ डोका बन्द छ नि This is the tram to go on top of that big mountain up there. This is a tram. This is a tram. This is a tram. This is not a gondola. Gondola is a smaller one. Tram is mi mga shongo ne? Ah. No. Chula size ma हामी सबै छ अब यो यसरी ढक्का हुन्छ अनि उनीहरु उताबाट निस्किन्छ हामी यहाँबाट उनीहरु निस्केपछि यो डोका खोल्छ अनि हामी यहाँबाट जाने This is the Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Yeah, this is easy. Yeah. Okay. No, beautiful. No, right. हामी सबै जाने हो म चाहिँ यताबाट गरे पनि यताबाट राम्रो देख्छ है हामी यता बस्यो भने यो त सबै सँगै देख्छ यता नि यता त माथि खाङ्ने मात्रै देख्छ अहिले त के देख्दैन अहिले त भित्र मात्रै देख्छ यता त अहिले भित्र मात्रै हो जहिले पनि यहाँ बस्यो भने सबै यहाँ तल ज्याक्सन होल सबै वहाँ देख्छ टिटन भिलेज के गर्ने उताबाट पो छिरा त What is this? No, but no, yeah, it's going to open here. Oh, I see. त्यो बुढाबुढीहरु थियो होला के बच्चाहरु उताबाट छिराको होला बुढाबुढा जहाँ बच्चाहरुले छिराको होला ल्या दुख्ला थियो या हाम्रो त किन जुसा त्यो दुध आछ न त्यो जुसा किन ल्या जुसा त्यो जुसा it's okay अब हामी जान लाग्यौं है It's all good, beautiful there. No, someone's out there, huh? यहाँ छ सबै छ गराउनु पर्दैन हामी सबैको टिकट छ नि भइहाल्यो नि यहाँ धेरै ठुलो ठाउँ छैन Doors closing. There we go. Off we go. There we go. There we go. Now I'm going to go up. I'm going to show you where we are going. There we go. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to show you here. It's way up top. This is where we're going to go right now. And then I'll show you once we get to the little bit up on the ledge there. And then I'll show you down towards Teton Village. It's pretty big tram here.
Alright, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Welcome to Jackson Hole Mountain Resort in the tram. It's about a 12-minute ride for you guys. Going up 4,000 feet, gonna pass over 5 towers. The cabin will swing over almost every tower, but I'll warn you on the big ones.
Okay, it's all good. It's all good.
Appreciate it.
That's exactly. Especially for the morning, right?
For you guys, and if you have any more questions after that, feel free to ask, and I will be pointing stuff out along the way as well. Enjoy the ride.
Yep, there we go. We're going up. Now I'm going to show you here. This is the Teton Village here. Beautiful Teton Village. Look at this. It's incredibly beautiful, and it's sunny, partly sunny. And
Hello,
beautiful.
and welcome to the Jackson Hole Mountain Resort, operating in partnership with the United States Forest Service. This aerial tram, which opened to the public in December of 2008, offers the greatest continual vertical rise of any ski area in the United States, as well as a unique view of one of America's finest recreational areas.
Look at that.
During the next few minutes, we will rise 4,139 vertical feet and travel nearly 2.5 miles to the summit of Rendezvous Mountain.
Rendezvous
Starting at
Mountain.
the valley elevation of 6,311 feet, we travel above forests of aspen, Douglas fir, lodgepole, and white bark pine,
Yeah.
and a variety of
What's over there?
seasonal wildflowers.
What's over there?
Along the way,
What's over there?
moose, mule deer, black bear, and many smaller animals are on
उता चानहरू
this aerial tram is
के
designed
लेफ्ट पनि छ
by Maurice Andre, an engineer from
ल हेर्नुहोस् उता पनि हेर्नुहोस् उतातिर पनि हेर्नुहोस् उता हामी आएको गाउँ
Switzerland, the Czech Republic, and the United States. Technically, this system is called a double
सानो यो चाहिँ ट्राम ठुलो भएकोले
tram, as the
यो चाहिँ
cabins
ठुलो
always
भएकोले
move simultaneously,
ट्राम
but in
अहिले त्यहाँ स्की लिफ्ट
alternate
छ
directions. The system is
गन्डाला
powered
उता
by
छ स्की
twin
लिफ्ट छ
1,000
यो टिटान
horsepower
भिलेज भयो
electric motors and utilizes over 15 miles of steel cable, 5
Oh, wow.
structural steel towers, more than 200 wheels of various sizes,
Good.
3 independent braking systems,
good.
and computer
Awesome. 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 Good.
Transportation. The Jackson Hole Aerial Tram can deliver up to 600 passengers per hour to the summit of Rendezvous
600
Mountain.
passengers
Winter
per hour.
and summer recreational activities,
Incredible.
both in Grand Teton National
Wow.
Park and Bridger Teton National Forest. Characterized by glacial surges carved through dolomite cliff bands, the natural ruggedness of Rendezvous Mountain is tamed each winter by an average snowfall of
dolomite
about
Italy
40 inches. The result is nearly 3,000 acres of unparalleled skiing. The aerial tram, together with the Bridger gondola and a variety of other lifts, offers more expert, intermediate, and beginner terrain than most ski areas in the United
स्की
States.
सुवाल यहाँ 5 वटा
With the
जान्छ
exception of two cliff areas,
उताबाट मेन
all
सुवाल मेन
areas
माथिबाट
will
आउँछ
open
उताबाट
Thanksgiving weekend through mid-April. When our tram car reaches the summit elevation of 10,450 feet, the forest will have given way to talus slopes and alpine tundra. There are over 200 species of plants native to this mountain habitat. Many species of birds, including golden eagles, hawks, prairie falcons, swallows, white-crowned sparrows, and black rosy finches visit the mountaintop. Seldom visited by larger animals, ground squirrels, marmots, pikas, pine martens, and red fox make their homes in the rocky terrain of this alpine tundra. If you would like to know more about the aerial tram
we're going on top of
activities, please
Rendezvous
visit the tram
Mountain.
operator on the top floor of the dock.
We're staying at the Rendezvous condominium. We're going on top of the Rendezvous Mountain.
On behalf of Jackson Hole
हाम्रो
Mountain
एपार्टमेन्ट
Resort,
कन्डोमिनियम चाहिँ Rendezvous
we
condominium हो
invite you to visit us on the web at jacksonhole.com to plan your
होइन
fantastic
यो बोला घाँसमा पुनै चाहिँ हो त
एउटा पनि हाफ कम मात्रै हो
अँ।
फोटो लिन्छ नि त्यहाँ हो
Yeah. रुखहरू भएको ठाउँमा हो क्या हामी बसेको अहिले चाहिँ उता हो orang pun naik pun ada orang tanda Jackson Hole pachari छ है यो चाहिँ Teton village हो Jackson Hole is over on the पछाडि त्यो नाटेको पछाडि Jackson Hole अब यो area 4 नै Jackson Hole हो Jackson town is over there this area whole is Jackson Hole and that's a Teton village and there's a Wilson and there's
Coming up on our right, the other tram car will be passing us, and that means we are halfway up the mountain.
आधा बाटो हो हिउँहरू छ है त्यहाँ अहिले आधा मात्रै हो अहिले छ अझै माथि जान्छ It's good. It's good. No, म यहाँबाट चाहिँ घाँसमा म यहाँबाट चाहिँ घाँसमा म 안에 푸네 야야.
열렸잖아.
디네 던다 여자 지금 좀 와. 여자 좀 와.
Alright, this is tower 2, and the cabin will have a pretty big swing on it.
Okay, watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Nice swing. Like it. Like it. It's awesome. It's awesome. 아닌가 요 강보지노. 지나서 이사서 검사. 지나 야서 다우터잖아. 걔한테 뭐다 자마다 골체 고도 맞지 아니. Long चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ अहिले यो तल चाहिँ टिटन भिलेज हो अहिले हामी गण्डलामा छ गण्डला एन्ड ट्राममा या आङ तेजिङसँग आङ तेजिङ या आङ तेजिङ या अजङ या अन्नका आङ तेजिङ ल अहिले हामी चाहिँ माथि यो सबै स्की रिजोर्ट हो है.
It's actually, the pink is like an algae, like in the snow. It's called watermelon snow. And it's the marmots really like to
This is in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. The whole area is called Jackson Hole, Wyoming. We just took this tram from Teton Village. It's a ski resort. Okay? Ang dachi bana la. Ang dachi ai dachi. La dachi just la the kwala nye Teton Village the rendezvous mountain la de tingo the kumbukeshara da ka miska so lo ma de ka chit la the tin ho ne de yeah aba kuna la yo ai lo pige se la yeah ang dachi yeah jala ulama una me jala ai ke da sa khasya ai ke amai da sa ami ke uru dole ki na ai ke da amai ko cha tala je Teton village ho right ani ya la finish da ni say beautiful look at that yeah utala Grand Teton no say Grand Teton. How you doing, bud? Beautiful. I hiked up to there this morning. The trail's closed. I just walked up and there's the construction owner said, "You're not supposed to be here, buddy." Wow, you're here now already. Go up. I said, "Thank you."
This is Tower 4. If you look to the right, that big swooping peak out there, that's Grand Teton.
Way over there, Grand Teton. Look at this.
775 feet.
How many? 13, yeah. Yeah, that's about the Tangbucha height. Look at that beautiful Teton there, okay? I hope you guys are enjoying it. So, this is beautiful. Yeah, I'm Facebook Live. People are watching from Mount Everest region. Yeah, it's amazing.
Coming up on our left, you'll see a big snowbank on top of the cliff up there. That's Corbin's Couloir, one of the most extreme inbound ski runs in North America.
Wow, beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. We're coming out. Look at that. Okay. Look at that. Corbin's Couloir. Beautiful. That's exactly. I'm not gonna do it. I will enjoy the view.
I've done it before, yes.
I will enjoy.
This
Look
is
at
Tower
the rock.
5, and it'll also swing a bit.
There we go. Watch out.
You've done that. You've done all that.
Yes, like 3 or 4 times.
Oh my, that's awesome.
I haven't jumped
Look at
into
that.
it. I've ridden it, kind of ridden it.
Look at that. Watch out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo!
I'm impressed.
Whoa! Nice swing. I like it. Nice swing. Beautiful swing. For Grand Teton. There's a beautiful Grand Teton. Take pictures. Grand. We will see it. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at this beautiful Grand Teton. Look at this. We're almost there. Beautiful. Beautiful. We're almost close to. This is amazing. Wow. This is incredible. I hope you guys are. Yeah. This is on top of Rendezvous Mountain. And the only way you can get up here is the tram. It's the highest point. The gondola actually doesn't come as high. And but I didn't see the ski lift up to here. But there's a ski lift down there, I saw. Yeah. Now that's the Grand Teton over there, 13,000, above 13,000. It's beautiful, beautiful.
Alright, this is the top of Rendezvous Mountain, 10,450 feet. To our left is Corbin's cabin, made to order waffles, coffee, hot chocolate, refreshments.
Awesome.
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 Tram down every 15 minutes, and last tram down of the day is 5:30, and you do not want to miss it.
That's okay, then I can hike down.
Or you can hike down, the road is clear, but it's a long 7-mile hike down.
That's a lot of fun.
Alright,
That's a lot of
the
fun.
cabin might shake a little bit when these drop.
Watch out.
Alright, have fun and enjoy, everyone.
Lord, this is heaven right here. I'll show you. This is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Imagine, okay? People can ski down. So look at this, beautiful. Apa tu itu? Mana pernah hungsi, oh mana pernah hungsi. This is worth it, right? Oh yeah. Yep. Ya piata, oke jalan jauh orang. Woi, तपाईहरु यता आउनुस् त त्यहाँ ग्रान्ड टिटन को फोटो आउँछ मजाले. आउँछ यहाँ ग्रुपको. ल ग्रुपको फोटो आउँछ मजाले. फेरि अहिले एकछिनपछि फेरि बादल लाग्न सक्छ है यो हिमालको त हामीले भन्न सक्दैन सो एकजनालाई excuse me can you take a good picture to us here yeah क्यामेरा देऊ त क्यामेरा कोसँग क्यामेरा छ म फेसबुक लाइभमा बस्छु अचुको क्यामेरा दिनुस् त मलाई एउटा फोटो खिच बनाऊ यहाँ ओके like this ल ओके गुड थ्यांक यू तिम्रो पनि क्यामेरा दिनु हुन्छ ठक्क छ नि म अझको बाटो गरिदिन्छु Yeah, okay. That's great. And I'm going to show. Look, you take it's beautiful. We like to see the Teton in the background.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Now I'll show you. ल तपाईहरु बिस्तारै माथि जानुहोस् है फोटो खिच्न के आफ्नो तपाईहरुलाई जहाँ मन लाग्यो खिच्नु मजाले बसेर आनन्दले It's nice. Look at this. Okay, this is why we came up here. Beautiful. This is, they say, the Corbett's Point ski. Very tough ski run here from top of here down to the bottom. It's amazing. Look at this. This is incredible. Look at that. This is incredible. It's amazing. Amazing. Oh, with the Hima. Beautiful. Nah, nak pun tentu harus saya lah. Nah, Mama यहाँ Teton को अगाडि यहाँ हिउँको चाहिँ ल्याइदिएछ हामीले. They miss snow. So beautiful. Beautiful. Lah. That's it. That म देखाउँछु सबै. Lah, यहाँ skiers, right? You can obviously rent ski here and ski down as well. It's a nice little restaurant on top, so you can have breakfast, waffles, whatever. And my folks are Pia. Beautiful, huh? Yeah, there you go. There you go. There's a 10,450 feet above sea level. These are Sherpas. I'm bringing them up here because they're nostalgic about snows. Isn't that amazing? Yeah. Mom is climbing up. Mati lah, ni aja mati jansam. Yang nalai, apa? Achoo! Beautiful. Look at this. That's Grand Teton over there, guys. That's Grand Teton. I'm gonna take you. Lucky we have a beautiful. We have a good reception here, so I can stay live for a little bit. Look at that. And Mom is going here. And Mom had not seen snow for a while, but she had seen snow. Collection. Yeah, in that yeah. And then now je to ki height some in ja. Yeah, to mo top dara se ki height ina kan ja. Meter 3 meter ni ma. Fit ta 10,400 roni. Fit ta 10,400 roni ni ya. 3,450 meter. Meter ni ma. त्यहाँ फिट देखे छ होइन
14,000 feet.
कहाँ हुन 3,000 कसरी फिट हुन्छ भनेको
10,400.
करेक्ट but 3,450 is meter.
Oh yeah, right.
Meter.
Right, yeah.
Meter.
यो टिटन नै 13,000 feet भन्नु.
13,500 अघि भन्नु छ नि 13,500 हो त्यहाँको चाहिँ almost फेरि चाहिँ त 14 पो फेरि चाहिँ 14 so here I'll show you Papa it's good yeah ल हरिनारायणजी यो चाहिँ ज्याक्सन होल वायामिङ भन्ने जग्गामा हो हामी टिटान भिलेजबाट माथि यो ट्राम लिएर आएपछि यो भ्यू देखिन्छ यहाँ चाहिँ नि सबैको प्रख्यात हिमाल हो यो ग्रान्ड टिटन भनिन्छ 13,500 फिट मात्रै हो खास उचाइ चाहिँ आफ्नो होइन तर यो चाहिँ नि हाम्रो यो ल्याटिट्युड भनिन्छ यो चाहिँ ल्याटिट्युड धेरै उत्तर परेकोले या थोरै नै अल्टिट्युड भयो भने हिमाल भएको कारण थियो नेपालको ल्याटिट्युड चाहिँ लगभग फ्लोरिडाको जस्तो भएकोले नेपालमा प्रायः चाहिँ हिउँ हुने कारण चाहिँ अग्लो उचाइ भएको ठाउँमा मात्रै पाइन्छ नेपालमा यतिखेर 10,000 फिटमा हिउँ देखिँदैन किनभने त्यहाँको ल्याटिट्युड धेरै साउथ पर्ने भयो सो what I'm just explaining is that Nepal, the latitude Nepal is closer to Florida and the only reason Nepal has a lot of snow is altitude. If you go above 13, 14, 15,000 you might see snow but you won't see here even as high as 9,000, 10,000 you'll see snow because the latitude is much north here and geographically and otherwise speaking these mountains are much older than the Himalayas. These are much older. The Himalayas are relatively new mountains and they are because was that together. But I'm the camera the आमाको फोटो खिच्यौ यहाँ तिमीहरु पनि हामी पनि खिचौँला म यहाँ फेसबुक लाइभमा बस्छु यहाँ लापछिरी पनि आयो ल लापछिरी आछ यहाँ बुझ्छ उनीहरु फोटो खिच्दै रहेछ त यहाँ लापछिरी आयो ल look yeah we'll see you tomorrow yeah look yeah Grand Teton त्यो Grand Teton किन को भने छ गङको फोटो छ we have all day so we relax so yeah awesome Mama is awesome Mama loves it awesome yeah awesome this is Grand Teton here that is Grand Teton. This mountain is called Rendezvous Mountain right on top of this is about 10,400 feet above sea level really elevation wise is not much but obviously because it's on top of Rendezvous Mountain it's windy so let's go la slowly walk down and we can go there and have breakfast walk on and whatever. Beautiful. Look at this. I'm going to show you there. It's all there. So I'm going to go all the way down there so we can walk around a little bit. Yeah, तपाईहरु 4 जना बस्नु म फोटो खिच्दिन्छु ल उता ग्रान्ड टिटन पछाडी राखेर ल त्यो गरेको ओके गुड ल तपाईँ 4 जना आउनु पर्छ त उता I need to see that. Okay, OK 了，我知道。OK， 这边的小，这我知道呀，这个。अब नाम इन्जोय गरोस् न या we'll come back later too, so okay. जाऊँ अब तल के खाऊँ आइएन्जी पनि आएछ ल ल आइएन्जी ल आइएन्जी टेस्ट ले ल यो चाहिँ हामी यहाँ ज्याक्सन हलमा हो माथि यो ग्रान्डेबु भने उता ग्रान्ड टिटन माउन्टेनसित फापो होइन फापो 13,500 हो रमाइलो छ जाउँ तल गएर के खाऊँ वाफल के खाऊँ हामीसँग पनि छ हामी कफी पनि खाऊँ हैन यहाँ ल हेर्नुहोस् है यहाँ अलिकति हावा चलिरहेछ अहिले म तल गएर म भिडियो खिचेर देखाउँछु यहाँ सबै बस्नु छ तपाईँहरू सबै म एउटा Excuse me, can I have you take a picture of us here? Where? Come on. Okay. Yeah. No, you want to? Yeah, you can just, yeah. I'm going to show you. So much. Yeah, अहिले बिहान आएको राम्रो हुन्छ क्या भरे फेरि क्लाउड आइहाल्छ त्यसै गरेर म यहाँ टुप्पोसम्म आउने हुन्छ त्यो फेरि म तपाईँहरू लिएर यहाँ जाउँ भनेर आएको म त यहाँ मिसा मानौ ल हेर्नुहोस् त्यस्तोले ल हामी यहाँ अहिले Rendezvous Mountain, top of Rendezvous Mountain here. We took the tram. As you can see, the beautiful Grand Teton over there, and beautiful. There's a Wilson there. We're staying down there. It's beautiful, and look at that. Let's jump. Guru Rimbu Janguru Gundan Deva Jimbasha Parcha Gusan Dudan Tabu Sosuan de Chinge Lutuso China Sava Pache Siwa Dan Samalunge Duvara Chinge Loa to Simsanje Guru Rimbu Guru Gundan Deva Jimbasha Pache Gusan Dudan Tabu Sosuan de Chinge Lutuso China kanji kala kiran kangre jau te ka kala jini amang jau jau kiran jau odon pa la la अब हामी नि त्यहाँ गएर त्यहाँ अब फेरि भिड छ कि त्यहाँ हेरौँ है त्यहाँ गएर कफी सफी खाउँ त्यहाँ माया खाँदी पो म हम था माया ठंडा खा उगजरा खाँदी एकछिन त हेरौँ न है मामा गल्नु किरा किरा देर न त्यहाँ मामा गल्नु म तलसम्म गएर आउँछु तपाईहरु नि यहाँ फोटो किन त्यहाँ लाइन छ भने त्यहाँ गएर भ्यूसँग बसेर के खाने कफी जस्तो खाने होइन वाफल खाने हामीसँग ल तपाईहरु यहाँ फोटो खिचेर बस्नुहोस् कता बुढा यु गाइस या म आमालाई एउटा खिचाऊ है आइएनजी ल आइएनजी पनि आएछ ल टेस्टले मिङमा आइएनजी या आइएनजी आइएनजी पनि आयो है नन्दका या आइएनजी या म त्यो खै खाङ्रेला दे नाउ जुन हो मे खा छन्द लानी दे 내 찌는 강그리라 강그리데 강그리지니 다다다데 강그리라 오케이 라 아니 부산가가 라 저가 자나가 기잖아 라 소나무네 라라 소남 look wow look at that she climbed top of Rendezvous Mountain la why don't you guys go slowly make your way down to the cafe I'm gonna go over on the other side अब हेर्नु तपाईँहरू यहाँ बसेर फोटो खिच्नुहोस् म चाहिँ उता माथि गएर उता तल जान्छु म ओके ल okay I'm gonna go I will see you guys ओको चाहिँ किन धेरै जुजा म उता पार तल्लोसम्म गएर आउँछु okay I'm gonna go show you guys okay Rendezvous Mountain ma यो ट्राम लिएर आएपछि भेटिन्छ यहाँ यो भ्यू देखिन्छ एकदम ब्युटिफुल छ अलि विन्डी छ बट इट्स ओके Ingma, just to know ya, you don't have there. Security, yes, you now you get through sort of the dinner. Kala, they'll be on the walk to me. Icing on the cake, yeah? Beautiful. We're on the top random. So it's beautiful. Got up, so I'm happy about that. Icing on the cake, about Teton the tube. Teton the tube. Teton National Park. Yellowstone National Park. Oh, Mati. Yellowstone National Park territory, but it's nice. It's all good. It's all good. Okay, now I'm gonna go see my people. I don't know if they went to I told them to go to the waffle place there. We'll see. It's amazing experience. So beautiful. Okay, now gotta go see here. Okay, all right, let's go and see. I think the entrance is from the other side. Looks like this is the walkway to the entrance. I think my people are in there. Hello, morning. Okay, let me just show you the map here. That's the whole map. This is the upper mountain there. Some peaks, Rendezvous Mountain, way up there. So that's the COVID. Okay, Facebook Live. मेरो अर्को फोनको ब्याट्री सिद्धियो सो अहिले हामी चाहिँ Rendezvous Mountain को माथि we are having our own breakfast here अनि म चाहिँ त्यसले जाम पनि हेर्दै थियो अघि अब मेरो ब्याट्री सिद्धियो ल अहिले I don't know if she's not watching right now but yeah Pasang त्यसले Papa Mama you having good time yeah Achu Mendoka त्यसले ल या धनी यदि ब्याट्री चाहिँ सिन्छु के त्यहाँ कलै हुँदैन मामाले तर मैले उहाँले सबै हिमाल चढ्ने देखायो ल म अब बाहिर फेरि म देखाउँछु है beautiful again this is the top of Rendezvous Mountain here I'll show you and you can do all tandem paragliding here as well obviously we don't have time for that but look at this is the Rendezvous Mountain wildflowers and I took a mountain wildflower trail this morning to come up the mountain and there we get Rendezvous Mountain geology Rendezvous Mountain birds and animals here and forest health and look at that there we go there is the tram going down As you can see, tram's going down. It's beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna. It's amazingly beautiful. It's amazingly beautiful. Look at this. Okay, there you go. Down below is the Teton village, and down there is Wilson, and right across is the Jackson, town of Jackson. So it's amazing. It's amazing. Okay.